Your Holiness, on behalf of the Tergar meditation community, I would like to welcome you here today. We are very glad that your health has been restored, and we are immensely grateful that you have taken time out of your busy schedule to come and be with us at a time that is really meaningful for us, in that our own beloved teacher, Mingyur Rinpoche, has been on retreat for almost 4 years now, following in the footsteps of his teachers. Some of us have been in Tergar in Bodh Gaya when you've been there, and I personally was once sitting in the garden and heard the beautiful sound of you playing a musical instrument, and it filtered down into the garden from your apartment above. And we just really hope that wherever there is a Tergar, you will feel at home. It is a blessing to all of us that you bring this profound ancient wisdom and help us to learn to live in a way with respect and care for all living beings. Your words honoring the feminine have gone straight to my heart. You inspire us to take more responsibility, to live in a way that we take care of the planet that we hand on to future generations. So thank you so much for coming here today.
다들 하나씩 가져다. 년진 영화죠. 강신 가자. 방금 좀 가보면 다들 되면 주변이 지나면 저번에 만나면 담바텔라 차자. 비좀 잡아 방가라에 줄이 좀 봐서 이게 전주 선배들 마음엔 제베셔라상자로 시제가라 기록이 우리 제베 동주제는 야외 dembo군에 선자보가 유름 부셔라상자 반대로 상하를 근소라마가 중국이 전에 시제베 이름에 좀 틀려고 저번 좀 보내죠. 내조르지 그변는 다음에 도지 경호란저 다리디 Tergar, the meditation center, Titone, Tari Namadan Shingi, and Kashoda, the Kogab Sambu, the Gujian, Mimang Chituaya, the Kogab Chum, the Shakavachums, then tradition is someone on the Tuchishan.
I'm very happy to be here at this gathering organized by Tergar, and this gathering provides me with a wonderful opportunity to meet with so many people. So I would like to thank all of the organizers of this event. Are you hearing things clearly?
No. No. Okay. 다들 갑자기 유름치 ene gunsam ya pheshida rongo rinpo zhugyo da longo shilha zhugyo dine indu sane mashida nyeshar rinpoche ki da chari ji zogo da peyu ki sam ki tuingen dan drebe toane chari ji peyu di naro le ya gyobu chi jegi yin dine songdo dine indu san di gyun sen dene rinpoche yangyar chi karshwe masu sambe jing je tuya dang labar do tegar ki da center samarwe tegar ta zabulin ya tegar ki dan jeyo ki cheso dan gomba da samye ki da rinpoche ya guxie industane nga zo rinpoche gyonyur petuya da rewa tu shuyes. No. They are translating.
Ah, I see. It is. I'll speak up a little bit more loudly so that you can hear better. It's been many years now, it seems over 4 years, since the Venerable Mingyur Rinpoche went into his retreat. We have heard from him recently. He wrote us all a letter, mostly concerning Nepal and the earthquake that happened there. But in that letter, he also said that he would see us all soon. And therefore, I would like to express my hope that all of us can once again meet with the Venerable Mingyur Rinpoche very soon, and that in particular, all of the Tergar centers and monasteries connected to Tergar can have the opportunity to be with Rinpoche together again as soon as possible.
Tamashin yegi di koma kushtaya marda.
Lasa.
Degu di karasana di ta zuwa da rangi da konda. Ta dine adilada. Reda dine kashwada tari is kashwe America tin sumbo yombe kablia ngene chen thomar chebina labre chemo jinji jilia chinche maanje duzuru de deze da yalia debe kablia deze kashurada busu thoburu yare ku thoburu yare 제가 아메리카에 요한지 deze 구양으로 요하지 되지 상으로 담래 따이네 라브르 쳔모 가셔진라 다 진이진라 다 라브르 쳔모 망보진라 근데 차지 다 간다를 내림디 망보시비 차인 주산에 디기 토안에 근데 수부디 나 마데어로 차지 그래서 요래 드린 주산에 드린데 용배 걸리네야 차상으로 수부디 가서다 리커버 sommer dat niet chamia inza dat die gunzen dene en drinde ya nabalenge solia 최세 내 가르쳐다 지마 뭐 기시야 뒤 잔주부지대 아버지 용벌에 성사롭게 면도스 디 균세 때는 그냥 소리야 공다셔인
Lasa. This is I don't want to hurt your ears. This is my third visit to the United States, and this time I wanted to focus on visiting some universities. Initially, I had in mind that maybe I could visit one or two of the major universities, and I thought that I could take things in a bit of an easy and spacious manner when I came to the United States on this trip, because usually I'm a little bit cloistered when I'm in India, and my space and movement is limited. So I thought I could be kind of open and spacious when I came to the United States this time. But the schedule doesn't seem to have worked out quite that way. I didn't just visit 1 or 2 universities, but many universities. And the schedule became quite heavy at times. Due to that, I encountered some health problems that I have not really fully recovered from. And because of this situation, I feel that maybe I won't be at my best today when teaching the Dharma and sharing my thoughts about the Dharma with all of you. So I would like to apologize for that in advance. Rebe. Oh, that's all, sorry.
Pengar jambe sambil zebe ta ke yuji swende doji chandu ma de jebe thone ma jeje ji chero chis tene sungdo.
Lassa? How is the current volume? Not too loud? Not too quiet? Okay, just good. Okay. I apologize for hurting His Holiness's ears earlier.
No.
So today, I would like to, in response to the request that was made to me, offer some remarks on the supplication to the Tagpo Kagyu, which is a general supplication to the Kagyu lineage, composed by Pengar Jambal Sangpo.
Ta delia ta kongi di ke yuji di karu di swende ta di na lo le ya twenzen di kashe jwa de ta de dang bu de ene xian lo gom ye gang ba mu gu gom yin go de ne yin me gom yin wu shi an ta ma de le ya ji na ji karu da ji konde me samar bada tindegi tawar bisum shab tindije.
Lassa? As many of you know, this supplication has several different sections. The first section being devoted to revulsion as the foot of meditation. The second being devoted to meditation as the head of meditation. The third being devoted to non-distraction as the
actual
main practice of meditation. Mm-hmm. And the fourth being devoted to the inseparability of samsara and nirvana.
Dadrin jusane an gom ta kya meditation center insan de je ton ta ji nam ju gom le ya thang de ru che me ba chi ga re da na jang azu de richer de do ko da gom le ya be ta ji sing ye mar be le ba na no
lao
khar ching ye da ji sing ye che da ta khanda be le ba da gom da mang bu ji de di tho le ya ka shwe ji thona yen ge mang bu ji de phe ya re an ti sa di gom tho le ya thona sa bu jon di ya re 아주 dari America yombe kalya ji Google da ji Facebook da di ju nalole chimre kuju nalole ji gom gas de do 제가 다 검사디 남준지 다 최제버디 주기 냠내샤르제 다 텔렌 대시 가서다 검자사디 간다라 다 지속 공고산네 장도 마조 공고르지 소왕을이야 공고예를 버지 근데 차브스 삼청기
lesson. So really, the supplication to the Tagpo Kagyu is about meditation. And so it is an appropriate topic for us to discuss today because our gathering is being hosted by a meditation center. And not only that, Richie is with us today, and he is someone who, did I say your name correctly? Okay.
Doesn't matter. He's very patient. Patient.
He's very patient. And not only that, but he does a lot of research on how meditation affects the brain. And along the same lines, there is a lot of fresh interest coming to the topic of meditation these days. In fact, I was recently visiting the headquarters of Google and Facebook, and each of these companies has a place to meditate in their headquarters. So what we're seeing now in our broader society is that meditation is becoming not just something that Dharma practitioners do, per se, but it's being recognized as something that is needed or a necessary component of our lives in a much broader way in society.
다른 이들 당 아주 traditional 세나다도 수균기 검계획 걸리야 and element som으로부터 간단히 참고하러 차견 참고하러 다 된대지 가셔죠.
That's
다 검계업스도 사네 들어가서야지 가셔에 posture som다 리뷰기 posture 다 리뷰기 다 간단한 도당을 지고지요. 제 난 들어가서 르르되는 지부 미편바 다 들려야지 차견 참고하고 가시죠. 어디요?
So meditation is something that if we want to do it properly, there has to be a certain set of components in place for the practice to go well. Meditation isn't just about getting our body into a certain posture and then relaxing our mind, and that's all. There are a few more factors or elements that we need to bring together that the tradition of teachings on meditation provide us.
다 들려야 암균 송수질이야 다 곰기 딱보디 현로레스 네 송수야레스.
There is one way of talking about meditation, or there is an old saying that says the owner of meditation is revulsion.
제 주상 아주기 가주다 곰개베 걸이야 땡땡 가주에 다 로찌듯이 가수지 꿀로 근데시 캐네 다 곰개가 예매사디 간다라 리지기다 가수에 곰마개 본다 꿀로리아 아주 더나 최고하디 개침시 있어요.
That's so. Therefore, it's very important for us to examine what type of motivation and intention we are bringing into our practice of meditation before we even begin to meditate.
다 들려야지 꿀롱지 다 남기 가수다지 다 로인 리버시중 세난 장도 야나 다나신 꿀롱기 채시 민자얼레 민자얼 댄체하고 가서 곰데 뉴버튠로 문자지 온디야래 변하지 지당기당 아주 지당기 때 디사망부지기 곰자데 네가 지 천디기 가서다지 디스 셈리아 강에 용하당 다나 신기 지 셈리아다 가서 레게 토네 the pressure we want is the say shadow nega 대섬식이 다 가들 주부 들리지려 미제 검자비나 양고 대섬식 주부 마도베 아메 버스지 양 델리 치시 토르 리지 글론디 체 토르 지키제 리지 제비니 양고랑 대긴 주부 텐로 민자르 지 원데 있어.
So obviously, the meditation is something that we set on our own, from within ourselves, and there are different degrees or standards of motivation that we could set, or an intention that we might form as the reason why we are engaging in meditation. This different approach to motivation might be dependent on our own individual capacity of our mind, and it might depend on what we think of as the goal of our meditation practice. For example, we might approach meditation with an interest in alleviating mostly the immediate difficulties presented by our day-to-day activities. We might be feeling stress due to the job we perform at work. We might be going through various emotional hardships due to our immediate surroundings or immediate circumstances, and we might want to engage in meditation to alleviate the sense of stress or hardship caused by this. If that's the motivation that we bring to meditation, then meditation might take care of those goals, but it won't bring us any results that goes beyond that. So the result that our meditation gives us, or the result that our meditation elicits for us, that corresponds to the type of motivation we give rise to in the beginning. And so if we give rise to a motivation that goes beyond just those immediate concerns that were just mentioned, then there really are results or fruitional states of meditation that can be experienced that are much vaster.
제가다 곰리 야게 간지 요마요다 좀제 간지 테마도 사데 the ownership 서로 곰다 위양에 고 델리아 interest 간지 요메다 델리아라레 치다 곰다 위양에 쓰르산 당게 꾸롱 간지지 안다 곰 델리아 가쇼지 간지체 가쇼다지 꾸롱 간지지기다 시마신 다델 데네지
Lesson? So the way in which our meditation progresses and the results that our meditation gives us are dependent on the motivation that we give rise to. And that's why it is said that the owner of meditation is revulsion. Another way of saying that is that the owner of meditation is our motivation. So the experiences and effects that meditation produces for us are entirely dependent on the motivation that we bring to the motivation that we bring to the meditation when we do it.
오다 드링 주스다네 아주다 곰갸베 걸이야 곰텔 다부양이 지 오늘 약부지 최고가 좀 근데지 약부지 용과 계속 차려야 돼.
Lesson?
그래서 디기 가르지 곰텔 되는 중대 근데지 용만 사대 시저디 될 토디가
Lesson? Therefore, it is very important for us to seek out a very good owner of our meditation. The owner of our meditation is the intention and motivation that we bring to it. The reason why this is so important is because the results that our meditation gives us are entirely dependent upon this owner.
지 최소 냠내샤 미세의 곰갸사데 다 딘상게 가수에다 네거기 가수에다지 다 딘상 미망부지 삼례나로 예되는 신지 네거기 편도 섬을다지
Lesson?
셈리아다지 강해서라지다 제 셈을 흘려 차서로당 근데 지고시 연대가 와봤다 미망부지 삼례나로 다디지 디 spiritual 남겨지 마사지 섬을 테라피
Lesson?
근데 something 가래 and there's a member 다 총을 나눠려야 when 전에다 수술이야 사수 삼로대 종다를 쳐야지다 롭종 돼야지 수술이야 종다를 쳐야지다 롭종 쳐야지 이제 그 도안에 아주 그지 다지 미기의 시가 있네래 삼로 동당이네래 굴롱 근처에 참으로 리안 좋아해야지. 그래서 과다지 최기 가수다 미유를 뜻이 만도 something.
Lasso? And if we talk about meditation from the point of view of the Buddha Dharma, then there is a special distinction that comes with regard to the motivation as to why we do meditation. These days, short-term benefits are on pretty much everyone's mind. We all want to relax a little bit more. We all want to be less stressed out, and so forth. And sometimes due to that, the main motivation that we bring to our meditation practice is that we approach it as if it were a spiritual massage or some type of spiritual comfort therapy. The root motivation of Buddha Dharma, however, for engaging in meditation is not only being able to be relaxed in the short-term sense, but rather meditation is approached as a very wide-ranging set of trainings, a method of training our mind, learning about ourselves, and transforming our very character and the way we think. So meditation is a tool then that allows us to transform our intentions and our conduct. And so the motivation is very far-reaching from the perspective of the Dharma.
Daddy, 드린 시야的做的daddy显露过的是嘛呢？드린 시야的做的母语过的么着
Lasso?
daddy wisdom and devotions 这里加上帝国的线不是就是意思嘞？加上他的呢，他帝国的。
Lasso? However, I think the main topic of my remarks today shouldn't be revulsion, but rather should focus on devotion, because we have in the title of our teachings today the words wisdom and devotion. So therefore, I think I should devote the majority of my remarks to this topic.
Kyansu kengde dange misidi sangsin mangbu ji na lo le ya gen de bi sang sing yo de sa mangbu shu chung bu de jie zang de ne ji de sang sing dang be ka shu ji ji chep si dang da mangbu ji gi na yo de na lo la lung de be mi ji gi mu gu guo xia dis ga la ha bu shi
Lasso?
대 가수 들리지 미지기 무고 셔야 돼. 대 가수지 참고를 하면 해배서지. 무고 시주산에 다 간다 가수다. 다 임비네양 예산을다 드린데 미세다 무고 써야 돼. 꼴려다 말하는 냠용토한테 시카스를 쉬는 점은 좋습니다.
Lasso? As many of you know, I have lived a somewhat complicated life up until now, in many ways. I've been enmeshed in many political difficulties and complicated situations. And one might think that for a person who is in my situation to talk about devotion is not suitable, because I am the subject of these various political difficulties and so forth. Nevertheless, I feel that I might have something to say about devotion based on my own personal experience.
지단다 무비스야디 지단다 대바스야디 아니 숭럽기 게르지 terminology some of the religious
Lesson?
and 무비스야다 명합에 and the terminology the religious 제 숭럽하네
Lesson?
단 도나 조디 지 대배 나는 양 다 대바 유 대바 시주산 대바리야 다 조의 대바를 리숨을 숭과래 다 디나는 지 원도 대바디 다 다 개체르지 타버트니 간사래 온도 대버사도 개체르지 근데 숨겨야래
라서.
제상 다 무규사도 온도 대버사디 된기 차네 지버를 차대야지 라이네 타니 민다다는 데스면자 용되어래 다디 용돼야돼 당기 공시원의 시래 수르베 개도이다 명아베 개도를 민다를 주용돼 말았어
라서. 응은도당 되베데바 직바로 라서. So the words devotion and faith are part of the lexicon of terms of Buddhism, and they're used in different ways in the scriptures. The term we see in the traditional Buddhist scriptures, the term faith arise a lot, and then in the texts that contain the upadeshas or the key instructions, the pith instructions, we see the term devotion. So generally speaking, when we talk about faith, it is taught that there are three types of faith, and one of these is called longing faith, or the faith of desire. So we could say that devotion is identical in meaning with this type of faith that is called the longing faith or faith of desire, but these terms are used different ways in different areas of the scriptures and texts.
제자들이 남배 최디 드가 가르에 그 줄로 마무치 나로래야지 예삼일다 가르에다지 남배 시에다 대바 넘버 송도 나는다 이세 대바당 다 이세 대바 개체를 좀 마무치기 줄로 마무치도 제대요 다 얘네 남배게 안다스 가르 이세버서 많이 봐 오늘 전에 다 가르에지 타바 되냐 선한다도 안다가지 개뷰리아베지 개뷰 안텔리아베지 가르에다 괴geb슈 되버서 많이 봐 수수전이 안에 잠내 대다 공방 온도 체제 된 전이된 가르에다 지금매베기 공방으로 터야지 근데 전도 해야돼 아마 상계베다 가르에다 계주를 지레 슬람나 dokument 다 간다 드립 차디야래 근데 진비 토네 안다 가르에지 뇌베 대바스는 장도 근데 이 공방 되니르기 삼버름데 과디 다 계주무지 차디야래.
In some presentations, we see that from among the three types of faith, which can be enumerated as trusting faith or the faith of confidence, the longing or desirous faith that we just mentioned, and then the lucid faith or faith of inspiration. Some teachings say that from among these three types of faith, it is trusting faith or confident faith as an alternative translation. That's the type of faith that is the most important. But from another perspective, we can say really that it is the faith of longing or the faith embodied in the desire to be liberated that is the most important type of faith. And there's reason for saying this because the expression of faith in Buddhism is not one in which we merely seek protection from a source of refuge, but rather the full expression of faith is one in which we desire to achieve the state of the sources of refuge for ourselves, that we ourselves become a fearless being and achieve the state of fearlessness. We achieve the state of ourselves becoming a source of refuge. So the fullest expression of faith isn't just asking for protection from another source, but longing to become a source of protection and longing to be completely free of fear. So therefore, I think this could be said to be a distinguishing feature of faith in Buddhism,
따이네 가서에 따다디 무기 사들이야 진짜 다지 운동이 대바서는 데비 대바성도 마세베 따텔에 more emphasize somewhere 따텔이야 무기 사디 되게 돼 칭이야 돼 그사 매사디 따 longing 더 desire 지 과를 되는지 렌초가 그에서도사네 the respect sanantan도 딱 간다지 매사도 조디 지 가르르지 셈 토안에 지 뭐베야 돼 그에서도사네 대하다지 셈 토안에 잠도 마세베 류나 토리아 간다지 액션 단 잡아야 돼 다 리지 인두스다네 다 more involvement somewhere 다지 다지 셈을 매버야 돼 좀 마서 류나기 저war래 무엇을 가르쳐다지 쭉 잡아버리 차르지 다들지 과르줄량 무슨 정도
So then when we get to the term devotion, which we earlier correlated with the type of faith that is the faith of longing, it has more distinguishing features still. Devotion, truly speaking, isn't just a faith of longing, but it has a special emphasis. The term for devotion in Tibetan is mögu. So these two syllables each carry their own meaning. Mö means longing or desire, devoted interest, and gu means respect. So with the longing and desire of mö, we're mainly referring to a quality of mind. But with the respect indicated by gu, we're going beyond just having that in our mind, and we're applying that to action in our body and speech. So there is much more involvement than just identifying it as a mental state. So möku, therefore, or devotion, is distinguished from faith in the sense that it involves full application and strong commitment and expression on the part of our body and speech, as well as our mind.
다 너네 무기 사의 책이 다가 룽아 이수 다 차상다지 가들 배바지도 본배 토네 다들이지 공방 되니를 차로지 다들이지 버지 다 숙천부로 들이지 전토 아래
나서
다들 배선 야셔도 남기 배나다 별 선배입니다. 아니 지금 미래에 배기 다 간다지 남다 다디 집에서 야셔를 좀 버지 차대만 섬정도
나서
아니 그랑기지 무기에부터 시험하고 봐 무기 점도 마세베 다디지 state of mind 점도 마세베 다디지 수수 미진나로래야 라랭 뭐 토리야 다 룽아 빈봉 가데 체베디 다 공에서 되어르지 아주 시에토야를 좀 인주사네 대임이 준센테네 다 간다 지금미래베게 남타르 코랑기 다 무기기 냠래 수산바르부디 남타르티기 동기여버지 아마도 좋아요
나서 So in sum, the practice of devotion involves harnessing our entire body, speech, and mind toward the purpose of gaining liberation. And I feel that the best example of devotion, if we want to look at a living example of devotion from the perspective of Tibetan Buddhism, then the best example is that of Jetsun Milarepa. If we look at his life example, we can see how he approached devotion not as just being a state of mind, but something that he harnessed his entire being toward in striving for the goal of liberation. So he is really, I think, the best example of the living quality of devotion.
나도나 녀자도 미망부지 이제 내가 녀자 동네 미망부지 용디하래 다디나 망부지 아주 다지 취기 정보성으로 해 다디나 망부 용디 고정하려 하는 유인지 지 남균시암 가져와요. 남경알이야. 그 코스트 삼으로다 레와트야 망치슈 가르선다 무유디시다 용문도스. 나봐도 치게도 망버스도 치게다 망버치기. 다 무유디 갈라 하고 싶도 제사 무유 야버지와지 된 알야베 겸주 삼으로다지 바 몰람 자로치. 근데 신년들 망부용데 예스래.
So devotion is an interesting topic for me because obviously a lot of people are coming to meet with me and talk with me all the time, and many of these are Dharma friends, and quite often what I hear, especially from the Western students, is that they have difficulty feeling devotion or engendering devotion, and they end up making some kind of request for my prayers that they will be able to develop devotion.
다들 이제 민망부치기 무구사리 당기 건수만한 신기 무구텔이야 딱 원도 차서 버려 다 든지 유에데 비치다 민망부치 무구사들 조르 이체를 지를 삼다지
Lesson.
다 가수라다지 가사 제 수술라마르 지비나 다 텔야지 가수라다 라메게 다 구송도 사마르다 드리질이야지 수수기 강화게 하루 지다 난 다나신 게 라메 가수부터야 이시게 하루 다 드리질은 좋은 진입 지기
Lesson.
이제 미마우치 3년 알로래야 원되기 다 무구사야 돼 드리지 이제 좀만 봐 대래베 개체 다 원되기 삼바삼을 되녀르지 오버런데베 되녀르 전부 고유였대 그래서 신이 매웠어
Lesson. And it seems that a lot of the assumptions that these students have is that they view devotion as being merely a way of believing in something. For example, if they're in a teacher-student relationship with a master, they think that having devotion in that context would be feeling reverence toward the qualities of their master's enlightened body, speech, and mind. And what they seem to be missing in their understanding of devotion is that is this quality not only of a longing mental state, but a quality of continuous commitment and engagement, and a prioritization of achieving liberation.
간다 라마들이 이시시에는 코란술에 가르쳐 다치 고를 비지 가려야 돼. 엄브런 대바들 비지 가려야 돼. 미유를 가려야 돼. 마부지 세버시다 매베수지.
Lesson?
다가지 이시 깜부르지. 이렇게 해서는 갈아 가버려.
Lesson?
다 이내 다 이제 이시 계과 윤생당 다나시 수수 미유당 다나신기 간다르지 가르다 가르다지 된도 녀셔로 가르이면디 세버지고 개심심 자리요.
Lesson?
근데 이제 세면은 다스 무구 감바지 한 매지 세비나 다 깨야돼 갈래 가버려라 깨비네요. 다디 지라 변도 형도 해야 되지. 갈라 가버렸으면 something.
Lesson? So devotion and the practice of devotion does involve some element of having trust or having confidence, and on the basis of that having some belief. However, what is crucial in terms of going together with that is being very clear about what our goal is. Why are we developing this trust? Why are we developing this confidence? What is the purpose of it, and what goal are we trying to achieve through developing this trust? If we just have dry belief alone and try to convince ourselves to believe in something without knowing the reasons and purpose for our believing in this way, or what we're trying to accomplish, then we might be able to generate some feeling of belief or some feeling of confidence, but even generate that feeling, it will not have a great benefit toward us. So being clear about what our goal is and what we're trying to achieve through our practice of devotion is very, very important.
Then just that mugu yawa chiyongmayo saadi zodi pakha kwadi chikarshu pige chibo meba susu kanangdo kwachi susu liya thomaji susu rengi liya de jida ji susu lo liya da ji sebar chiyongkwadi ni zuiru sebar chakwadi kechim shibu chadi yare azu tuenirik cha kandaji ba anda kandaji niji tuendu nyesero kandaji chene
Lesson. So therefore, I think it's very important in the beginning for us to look inside of ourselves and really become clear about what we are trying to achieve through our practice of devotion. What are we devoting ourselves to?
지점식이 세버 충분 대주지기 내 삼발야다지 무기사데 공패는 좋아하다 야버스 정도 야로지 용거를 삼 정리요.
Lesson. And I think if we do this, then the degree to which we gain clarity about what we are striving for will match the degree to which our genuine devotion increases.
원다 드레인 주스안에 지금 밀레레브도시네 대나시에 코로나 다부 지금 가르르지 미다투 럽서먼 다드레시제 하다 미망보세 네버망보 셰브레 안 텔레데네 교바 첨부를 깨세 안다 간다르지 코랑기 된도 녀세르디 딱 간다르 최 된도 녀과에 세버 쉬우 총제 간다 투리아다 간다르디 최만도지 섬기 매버를 느끼기 매바당 안 되게 쉽지 여비 인도산 다 되고 세브차사래 이 세브차스도산 아니 지 아주 마르바던 제네 다 마르바던 냠도 통마지 데베체 걸려다 마르베 지금 난다르디 디스 주부르지 나브레디 이네야 간다 그랑 그 미유디 세브시라 예장 디토네 에는 con ta kuhe shita mate so dire dire di gyunzen tene kasoda azu de ji mi yu senan da twendu nyese service squad
That's all. We can see this principle of needing to be clear about what we are prioritizing very clearly illustrated in the life example of Milarepa. Milarepa, of course, was someone who did not start out well in life in terms of skillful action. He trained in various spells and killed many people and caused great harm. Following that, however, he was able to connect with a heart of genuine remorse and become clear about what is important to prioritize in life. And this process of reflection resulted in Milarepa very strongly prioritizing the achievement of the state of liberation. So his interest and his longing and all of his thoughts were very one-pointedly directed toward the Dharma. And because of this, he was able to seize the opportunity of meeting his guru, Marpa, very skillfully. Marpa's behavior toward Milarepa appeared to be very rough from the outside, but because of Milarepa's one-pointed sense of commitment and one-pointed sense of purpose, this coarseness on the part of Marpa didn't cause him any problems. He was able to stay focused on his goal and achieve that goal. So I think this illustrates a very excellent example of devotion.
다들 진짜로 무기 사대 딱 곰단 제가 근데 쳐라슬라비나 다는 유 곰기 퐁된 무기 인스 딱 곰베 야르겐드라 지 가르르다디 곰레다 공편 줘야 다디 이 탑lâm 상쇄를 지디다 무기 인스들 순간하라.
That's all. So we heard earlier this old saying that said the owner of meditation is revulsion. And then there's a second line to that verse which says that the enhancement of meditation is devotion. So once we have established ourselves in a good motivation for meditation, what really enhances our meditation or causes it to flourish is devotion. Devotion is the most profound of methods that we could rely on for this purpose.
우마 곰제네 즉 레발이야 다시 제외 걸려 이제 곰장이 가시가 토뉴 레발 다시 chen 론용에 가시 토뉴
Lasa?
그저 알고도 지 참바데 인지들 곰도 야부용도
Lasa?
안 라말이야 다 무기 진짜 그 통하는 지 곰들산에 한테스 가서데 가서디기 result of the set 용되도 스탠드 위치스도
Lasa?
드린 두산 디스 가서다디 지 진짜 그 통하는 다 간다 가서 지 공기 뉴버 셔를 용되야 용되게 있어
Lasa?
무기단 자외비나
Lasa? Tuyong Yosena, Dr. Tang Kenzo.
야
Lasa?
맞아서 당게 말이다
Tang Chung Yong.
다 디나로 슈용에
Oh, Lasa. Lasa? I've met some meditators and have had discussions with some meditators who have been analyzed by scientists who monitored their brain while they were meditating. And what they told me is that when they did the meditations of loving kindness and compassion, there were results that were clearly observable, but the results were even more clear when they did the practice of devotion, when they engaged in the practice of devotion to the Guru. So I think this harmonizes with the principle that devotion is really the strongest method to make an impact on our meditation.
다 드는 이제 딱 한다 가수해야지 땅에 망부지 당기 공원도 쉬는 시에 나 양부지 쉬어야 돼 가라 가부지도 다 드린 주산 다리 더 조치쉬디 디 위스콘신 서머보다 디 초리아 다 다리 영화디 팅 당부도 쳐야래 드린 주스 다리 디 고금 디 중세 아주지 가수로다 간수스담 디나네 망부지 니 뭐셔제 망부도 간다들이 제시 간수 젠데 제약도 고급 충분히 가부시다 중스 안에 지 간수 대가르 가수로다 어떤 게 되지라
Lasa? So I think that's about it for this morning. As I said previously, I don't feel like I'm in the best of shape to give the teaching I wished I could have given, but I hope this has been somewhat helpful. And in addition to that, I wanted to again express my delight at this opportunity to meet with you all. This is my first visit to Wisconsin, and so I'm very happy that I've had this opportunity to meet with you, and I see that there are many people here who I know already, so I'm very happy to be together with all of you, and thank you very much for coming.
And Anasing Misedu and Degar the Meditation Center. Tamas Degargi Center Meditation Center Kasakaliare, something Kasakala. And Rumbushi Mingurumbushi, the Lurdu Kasre, Kunsamlia, Perry in the Summit Samadaji. Kunsam Perry, everything as some single or the net in the Kunsam pep down the Pendro, everything as some the Kasre, the Samuel Matters.
Lasa?
That law soon has the traditional law soon than Dawasum than the Sacher, but I didn't engage it. Law she's Roger, Chesa, yes, I'll the Cashe lesson. That Rumbuchi Mapena, Azud, the Kasur Daji, handle Chetusamaris.
Lasa?
That in the lesson, that in a counter and the law she nalolia, 상매기 림부치기 가주에 족보래 로마래 상매외에다 림부치기 제진디 유마제바 다지 균경 체토버디 오늘 전에 가주에 나라에는 가보시다총 제자다 림부치기다 첩체선한다도 안 나랑 그거네 교sam으로 도체스 교수지 가주에 라삼 남다 거네 잘해 남들이야 도체샤이
Awesome. And I would especially like to thank the members of Tergar who are gathered here today. There are Tergar meditation centers all over the world. And of course, these are led by the Venerable Yongey Mingyur Rinpoche. And over 4 years ago, Rinpoche went into retreat. And many of us knew that he might have been planning to do a retreat, but the way he went into retreat was really not something that was predicted by any of us.
I don't know. Don't ask me. I don't.
And not only did he go into retreat, but he's been in retreat now for over 4 years. So one of the major traditional retreats that is considered an extended retreat is only 3 years and 3 months. So Rinpoche has even surpassed that in terms of the length of the retreat. So several people have come to me since the time Rinpoche has gone into retreat for this long and have said, I don't think we'll be able to handle it if Rinpoche stays in retreat that much longer. But you have handled it, and you've managed to sustain and continue Mingyur Rinpoche's enlightened activities, working together as friends and students of Mingyur Rinpoche. And I'm very happy about the work that you have done to accomplish this. And therefore, I might say that I'm going to thank you today on behalf of Mingyur Rinpoche, and I would also like to thank you on behalf of myself for your wonderful activities of continuing his teachings and for your working together with pure intention.
And 마치 디디사르 rumbuchi 루고도 가수에디 페드사는 가수다 lots of people worried somewhere. 당 아르지나 다디 오늘 가수에 I'm interesting. 직전에 다리 미망부실래야 rumbuchi 디네 페이지 강수다 handle 샤그 트레이닝을 총사인자 마음발바나 나딘데 심비나 나다 요서 말해
Last time?
강에시다요 서말 삼정도 다 간다야 가수에 강섬에다 간다 드린데 리지 거르주 고갑을 총부터 야부시다 좀 마음발이 야네 안 제토야기 저슈에 도시나
Last time? When Mingyur Rinpoche went into retreat in this sudden manner, a lot of people came to me and expressed their concern, and there were a lot of worried people around. And I was simply observing all of this with great interest, because I think that one of the things that Mingyur Rinpoche has accomplished in going into this retreat is that he has provided you with an opportunity to grow in strength so that you can handle a situation like this. And since you've handled it so well, it now occurs to me that if I were to do something like that, that there'd be no problems at all, that everyone would be able to handle it very well, because you have handled the situation you're in very well. In any case, I would once again like to express my gratitude for the opportunity that you've given me today to be together with all of you, and I express my aspiration and hope that we will meet together again and again in the future.
Chuno sowa di chi ni ye che ten cho di che nam je che nga ro ngun je di pe so le dan. Lo do mi je je pe rom do xa chen che de len do je da je dom se nam gu su kon la ye ro ngo je pe so na nye nye men. Du nu sum don la mi che go go je so ma le do we je la ngo do na la mi ta pe sa chen cho san je se che da la gu. Do je san pe mo la rab son de ja wa kun do son don de se don pa pa chen pe yon je chen pa da de da kun je je so. Dun pe pa je la ma ren xian na nam ga xin do kun la cha pa che ni da xin do kun la sa wa jo re wa xin do ta do ten pra jo ten pe chen ma ju den. Tu tin tu son lo son ji xiao xiao ten pe ning po sang an do pa de tam se de sen ji so ta chen xiao ten pe jin da che jiang jap. Xab se jin xin ten lo men pra xiao ten pe xiao de jia re len po yang lo de ra fa sa tuan ten pra. Ten pe sim che chen da xiao ten nam lo che de chen jin se me pra xiao ten la te pe yang ye. Di ge ten xin pa che xiao ra xiao lam la ne pe na jia da nian yang tam se me nyam sang pa do pra xiao da la san nian le je de go yang ne ka to to je we chi. Lu na la me ta pe go xiao ne kun zon je se xin. Do ma xiao kun zon do je chung xin min qian ne zhen xin sa we la ma yin qian ne zhe ye ten. Wang lan guan da pa de da tam.
So, first of all, I would like to thank everybody for coming here today. A great auspicious occasion to be able to make a karmic connection with the head of our lineage, the Karma Kagyu lineage that Mingyur Rinpoche is in. So it is really wonderful that you were able to be here today and to receive these wonderful teachings from His Holiness Karmapa. So thank you very much for coming. I would also like to extend my gratitude to everyone who organized this event, particularly Amy Head, who did such a wonderful job of helping to put this event together, and all the wonderful people who actually volunteered to help Amy to make this possible, to put the event on and to take care of His Holiness and the people who are traveling with him. And so I would like to thank those people who have also put all time and effort into making His Holiness visit here wonderful for us to be here. So thank all the people who have organized his trip to visit the United States of America this year. But finally, and most importantly, I would like to thank you, Your Holiness, for coming here today to offer such wonderful teachings on motivation and devotion for us, the students of Mingyur Rinpoche. I know Mingyur Rinpoche would be very happy that we have been to make this connection with you, and that we have been so fortunate to receive such wonderful teachings from you. So thank you very much. And I wish for you that your health should improve and that your travels be safe for the rest of the time that you're here in the United States. And I would like to wish that we can meet again in this life many times, here or in India. And we invite you to come back and see us again as soon as you are able. So thank you very much for coming here.